In this video, we are going to be looking at adding polynomials. It is very similar to our last lesson, which was combining polynomials, except now we're just going to look at two different polynomials and add them together. So, here is my first question. I have two polynomials here. We're first going to do this pictorially. So here I have 2x squared, 2x's, and negative 3. And we're adding to it another polynomial, negative x squared plus 2x's minus 2. So essentially what we're doing is we have 2x squared plus 2x's minus 3, and we are adding negative x squared plus 2x minus 2. So we're pretty much combining these. So I'm now, really, I could just get rid of this plus sign and just look at this and combine these here together. So basically we have an x squared and an x squared. If they combine together, these are going to end up going away, right? Because the positive and negative goes away, they'll go to the dance floor. We're left with just this here on the punch table. So at the end, I'm left with 4 x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 5 negative 1's and an x squared. So my answer for this is going to be equal to x squared plus 4x's minus 5. So now let's take a look at this example here. We're now going to look at this symbolically. So here I have 2x plus 5, and then we want to add 3x squared minus 3x plus 1. So that's the same thing as what we were doing before. It's just combining like terms. That's essentially all we're doing when we're adding. So here we have only 3x squared. So I'm just going to write down 3x squared. Now, when we look at my x's, my terms, my like terms with x's, I have a positive 2x and a minus 3x. So that's going to end up leaving me with negative x, or negative 1x. We don't have to put that 1 there, though. And then I look, I have a plus 5 and a plus 1. So that's going to give me plus 6. That's it. I'll just do one more. All we are doing is combining like terms, theoretically. So let's try this. I have 3xy plus 2x plus y. And I'm going to add that to, let's try negative 2xy, x squared y, and we're going to say minus 4x plus y. Alright, so first we're going to start with this. I have 3x squared y. These are the same terms because we have the same variables and each variable has the same exponent. So I'm going to be left with 1x squared y. Now we want to look at my next one, which is the x's. I have a 2x and minus 4x gives me negative 2x. And then we're going to look at my last one, which is y's. I have 1, 2. So that is going to be plus 2y. So one y and another y. And that gives me my answer. So that is all it is when we come to adding polynomials. It's rather very simple. It's just combining our like terms.